Okay, let's get on our targets. I'll start with those ones on the right side there, or probably in the middle. That's 40 yards. See how we do there. I'm using the AEA 18.3 grains. I believe that's what it is, or it's 13. I'll put it up on the screen. There we go. Yeah, I can't see that the one to the left of this. It's right behind that those little metal things, targets. Now let's move it down a little here. I think I might be out. Yeah, that was 10. Throw another mag in here. There we are. Wanted to get that bottle out of the way. Okay. Now we'll go out to 50. And let's see. See if I can get those other little things there. I'm going to do a holdover. Let's see. I'm not positive if I can get these. I haven't been out here with it yet. Oh yeah. Like that again. Oh, I'm out. Out. Okay, let's bring it back in here. Okay guys, that was 20 shots, and as you heard, the gun's a little loud. I think they call it medium, but it has a built-in suppressor, but it's still a little loud, so may be too loud for some people, depending on, you know, where you're shooting it in your backyard, if you're using it there. But it does come with a Foster fitting to fill it up, and a little plastic cap that sticks on there, and it has a pressure gauge so you know how much air is in the gun, and it does not have a regulator gauge, so but they say you get 5 mags, 50 shots. So I've only got 2 mags right now. I couldn't order any extras, so I'll have to check that and see if that's right. And it's got Picatinny rail on the top for the scope, which is nice. And a lot of people have trouble putting the scope on. They have to remove the rear sight here. And so if you bring your scope right up to it and you have a Hawk Vantage, it'll just fit, as you can see. And the Hawk Vantage is it's a real nice scope for this gun, that's for sure. Stock, everything's plastic, but it does have this little support here for the air tube to the shroud, which is nice. And of course, you get your safety right on the trigger. I don't mind that. It's better than a lot of the other ones that flip up and down. And you get your side lever caulking, which is really smooth. Mine is anyways, and that's the caulking lever is metal, aluminum, or cast or something. And to decaulk it, you just pull it back, pull the trigger, and close it. And the gun's decaulked. And you get 2 mags, and they're 10 shot mags. So, and as you've seen, this thing is, I just got this yesterday, set it up last night, brought it out this morning, sighted it in, and was shooting the JTS 18 grainers, and this thing is deadly accurate out to 50 yards, as you've seen. So for 230 bucks, it's kind of a no-brainer. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one.